Okay, my name is Kwame. Yeah, African activities. All right. Okay, I want to show you how to make paper beads. Right, from recycled paper. Yeah, I will show you some examples of African colorful beads. These are some beads from home. Ashanti beads. They're beautiful. Beads can be made from any kind of material. This is coconut shells cut into beads. You see, this is paper, magazines fold into papers, fold into beads. Yep, wood. Yep, but today we are going to do paper. First, you need brush. Yep, take a brush. You need PVA glue here a bit. Then you need your old newspaper or a magazine like this. And you need to cut them into strips like this. You can cut them in a triangle or straight like this. Yeah, you can cut straight like this. Then you can also cut triangles to make your beads. And now watch. Okay, you've got this. And you need a pencil to roll it on. And first, you roll onto the pencil first, where there won't be glue to stick to the pencil. And now you have it like this, straight. You take a brush, PVA glue, not too much, very light, because all is going to roll over. Very light. The only place you apply more is the end of the paper, so you can stick when you finish. Then you start rolling over, rolling it on as thick as you can. Yeah, it's fun making, and it helps you meditate and concentrate. Yeah. Yeah. Kids will be focusing how to get it roll on, and when it's finished, it's a rewarding achievement. Yes, like this. You see, yeah, I've got my beads. I roll it on, really nice. When I finish, I pull it. See, of course, you continue working. You get more. You get like 10 to 15. You make a bit. And the big one like this, the broocher, you can make it bigger, roll it on and on and on, and again, then you make a big one, and that'll be the end of your bead. You see, something like this at the end, you get something bigger. Yes. So this is how we make paper beads. It's not hard, it's easy. And at the end of the day, you get your bead from recycled paper. You see?